Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic of Ghana, Hakim Steiner, Administrator of the United Nations Development Program, UNDP, distinguished leaders, friends, partners here present. I'm pleased to join you on this very special occasion. To begin, I want to thank UNDP under the leadership of Hakim Steiner for pioneering the Timbuktu initiative. This is a very important milestone. I congratulate you all. Indeed, Africa has the labor force to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. We have many success stories. Too often, however, Africa startups lack the funding to compete at a global level. We cannot accept that another generation of African young people do not have the tools to reach their full potential. With Timbuktu's 1 billion target, we can create more opportunities for Africa's youth to put their talent and creativity to good use. This means closing the employment and skills gap, not only within our continent, but also with the rest of the world. Imbalances in human capital investment are one of the main causes of migration. We must keep that in mind. Timbuktu's vision aligns with Rwanda's innovation ecosystem. Rwanda is open for anyone to come and test their solutions. It is a privilege to host the Timbuktu headquarters, and we are very happy to have the Africa Innovation Fund domiciled within the Kigali International Financial Center. I'm also pleased to announce that Rwanda will commit $3 million to this fund. We will also do our part to mobilize other contributors, friends, and partners to add their support. The world is changing fast, and we must adapt. With the launch of this initiative, I'm confident we are already on a good path. Once again, congratulations, and I thank you for all of you being here and for your kind attention. Thank you.